I would first, just give, set the context, what exactly we wanted to discuss in this. And most of the people are looking 2050, why 2050 India has already declared 2070 to achieve net zero goal. So as we all know, uh, this 2050 is something which is a global goal to achieve net zero target. So this vision that aligns with the global effort to combat climate change and secure a sustainable future for generations to come. Just I'll quickly introduce myself. So my name is Manoj Kumar Singh. I represent a company called Net Zero Think. We provide net zero and sustainability solutions to enterprises and helping them to decarbonize their businesses. As we all know, India currently, the emission profile is, keep on increasing. We have, as on 2022, India is the third largest emitter of greenhouse gas, responsible for approximately 7% of world emission. With a population exceeding 1.4 billion and economy that is rapidly growing, the stakes are high. India's per capita emission remains low compared to developed nations, but the absolute number are significant, driven primarily by the energy sector, which accounts for nearly 75% of the total country emission. Globally, we are witnessing an unprecedented push towards decarbonization, with countries representing over 70% of total world GDP committing to net zero target. Yet, the path is full with challenges, particularly for emerging economies like India, where balancing economic growth with environmental sustainability is a delicate and complex task. But still, India may target achieving net zero emissions before 2070 to align with global climate goals and avoid the severe consequences of delayed action. Scientific consensus suggests that limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees requires the world to reach net zero by mid-century. By committing to a 2050 target, India can position itself as a global leader in climate action, unlocking significant economic, social, and environmental benefit. For instance, consider the case of South Korea, which recently revised its net zero target from 2050 to 2045. This accelerated timeline spurred rapid investment in green technologies, job creation in the renewable energy sector, and reduced reliance on fossil fuels. India, with its vast potential to renewable energy and green innovation, stands to gain similar advantage by advancing its target. Moreover, a 2050 target would attract international investment and strengthen India's role in global climate negotiations, ensuring the country is not only a participant but a driver of the global transition to a sustainable future. To achieve net zero emissions by 2050, India will need to mobilize an estimated $10 trillion in investment across various sectors. This includes around 3.5 trillion for the energy sector alone, which will involve massive scaling of renewable energy infrastructure, grid modernization, and energy storage solutions. Additionally, significant investment will be required for developing green hydrogen technologies, estimated to be in the range of $1 to $2 trillion by mid-century. The industrial sector will need substantial financial resources for decarbonization, including $1 trillion for adopting cleaner technologies and enhancing energy efficiency. Furthermore, investment in transportation, electrification, sustainable agriculture, and afforestation will also be critical, with each of these areas demanding hundreds of billions of dollars. International climate finance, carbon market, and domestic policy measures will play pivotal roles in securing and directing these funds towards the ambitious net zero goal. The scale of financial resources required underscores the need for comprehensive planning, international cooperation, and innovating financing mechanisms to ensure that India can meet its net zero target. While the challenges of are formidable and the opportunities for India to lead the world in sustainable development are equally profound, today discussion we will delve into more focused way and exploring the strategies, technologies, and policies that will drive India transition to a low carbon future. Together we have the power to shape this, a sustainable and prosperous future for India and the world. So this is just context. So now we'll have